Good day, sir. By the way, my name is Omas-as. I am from B Scream to Block D. I will discuss to you about our entire topic for midterm. So first is we discuss about light. So what is light? So light is an electromagnetic wave that cannot be seen in our naked eye. So visible light. Visible light is have a wavelength of 400 to 700 millicrons. And there are five principles of light. So first is reflection, second is absorption, third is transmission, fourth is refraction, and fifth is diffraction. So what is reflection? So reflection is the rebounding to deflection of light. Absorptions. Light is absorbed by different substance. And transmission, light can be transmitted. Refraction can change the direction of the light. And diffraction is the bending of light around corners. So there are 7 characteristics of light. So first is intensity. Intensity refers the amount of light falling on the object. So second is color. So depend on the size of the wavelength. So third is the quality. So it is the harshness and softness. Fourth is direction, given with difference to the camera. Fifth is ultraviolet light. Ultraviolet light has a wavelength of 200 to 400 millicons, and infrared light has a wavelength of 700 to 800 millicons. And last is X-ray. So X-ray has a wavelength of 10 to 30 millicrons. So there are two general types of light. So first is natural light, and second is artificial light. So when you say natural light, so there are three types of three parts of natural light. So first is bright sunlight. So when you say bright sunlight, so it produces a strong shadow of the object. And when you say hazy light, it is a light cloud, and it produces not so strong shadow of the object. So when you say dull light, it is a heavy cloud, so there are no shadow. Second is artificial. So when you say artificial light, there are 6 types of artificial light. So first is photographic lamp. So reflectorized light or spotlight. So second is flash bulb. So it is a rapid combustion. Third is electronic press. So when you say electronic press, it is instantaneous electrical discharge. Fourth is fluorescent lamp. So when you say fluorescent lamp, it is so very common. So it is a tube lamp. So sixth is infrared lamp. So a special type of artificial light. So last is ultraviolet lamp. So it is a gas lamp or gas lamp burning. So next is we will proceed to sensitized materials. So there are 2 types of sensitized materials. So first is film, and second is a photographic paper. So when you see film, it contains minute grain or silver halide. So we'll proceed to black and white with film structure. So when you say there are 6 types of black and white with film structure. So first is emulsion protective layer. So when you say emulsion protective layer, it is a thin layer of gelatin or protect with light sensitive em- emulsion. Second is emulsion. So emulsion is a layer of gelatin containing light sensitive crystal or silver halide. So third is subbing or adhesive. So it is a special gelatin that adhere emulsion to the support. So fourth is base support. So base support is a strong flexible support or film layer are coated. Fifth is second adhesive uh, layer. So anti-halation baking. It is a anti-halation baking. So last is a anti-halation baking. So it is a coating that contain dye which dissolve. So we will proceed to the modern film structure. So there are 9 types of modern film structures. First is hard gelatin coat or a top insulate the emulsion against scratches. So second is blue sensitive emulsion. So blue sensitive emulsion is the record the image value of blue. So next is yellow filter. So yellow filter made of colloidal silver does not record an image. Fourth is grain sensitive emulsion. So grain sensitive emulsion is a register the latent image of the values of grain. So fifth is gelatin. So gelatin is a separate grain layer to read. So sixth is red sensitized emulsion. So red sensitized emulsion is the response of the value variation in the red light. Seven is subbing layer. Subbing layer. So when you say subbing layer is a gelatin glue like gelatin adhere the emulsion. Then number 8 is support. So what is support? Support is provide a strong flexible plastic. So the last is anti-halation baking. So anti-halation baking is prevent reflection on the cold created hulls. That's all.